In this video, I'll be working with a piece of olive wood that a friend gave me, which has a wonderful fragrance and stunning patterns. I'll mark the sections with deep cracks before making the cuts, and then I'll shape it into a square form with one side featuring the bark. Olive wood is one of the most unique and beautiful woods out there. When you cut it across the grain or in a crosscut, its patterns and growth rings reveal an incredibly intricate and mesmerizing beauty. Beyond its stunning appearance, olive wood is known for its remarkable hardness and its naturally oily texture. Interestingly, the scent of olive wood isn't like the olive fruit at all. Instead, it's more reminiscent of a fine cologne, with a rich and pleasant aroma that's truly delightful to work with. I'll make the top and bottom surfaces completely flat and even so that the height is uniform. Since the height of this piece of wood is quite low, I'll try to make the cuts in the way I saw in the video to minimize any waste. In this section, I'll temporarily bond the two pieces of wood together, and then, using the CNC, I'll cut the final part of the box, which had some small cracks and might have splintered during the cutting process. With the cutter blade, I'll separate the two pieces that were temporarily bonded with a few gentle taps, so that the wood doesn't get damaged. In this section, I'll first level the bottom surface of the box, which is going to be carved out to create the hollow interior. Then, I'll repeat the same process for the box's lid. I'll cut a piece of hardwood to create the bottom edge of the box, which will allow the lid to pivot on it. In this section, I'll carve out the hollow of the lid, so that the box's lid is completely finished. I'll create a 2mm deep groove in the bottom of the box, so that the cut hardwood piece can fit into it. I'll use a CA glue to bond the two pieces together quickly. I'll add a small chamfer to the bottom edge of the box. I'll completely carve out the main hollow of the box, so that the bottom part of the box will also be finished. Now it's time for sanding, and the more time and care you put into this step, the more beautiful the final result will be. I also made a smaller box off camera from the same olive. It opens in a different way, with a tiny 4mm brass pin as the pivot. I had to carve and smooth parts of the bark to make everything align just right. And that's the finished box, simple, natural, and full of character. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps a lot.